screwed down all the subfloor and it's pretty solid now. I've got the Hardie in the truck, but before I install it, I'm going to move this duct here out to the exterior wall now, and then later I'll put a cabinet line and we'll put it in the toe kick. So we'll do that first, and we'll get started laying the Hardie. I disconnected that duct from the floor up there, and the whole thing wanted to fall down, so I'm going to have to put a strap on this before I get heavy into the work. I guess it doesn't really matter what I do, it's going to be in the toe kick. Oh yeah, that'll be fine. Let's say 15 1/4. There we go. Alright, now that we got the duct dealt with, we'll move on to laying the Hardie. I've got a line on the floor to gauge off of this exterior wall. So we'll start laying against that. I'll start over here in this corner. I've disconnected the breaker for this range outlet. So I'm going to take this plate off and lift it up. That way I can put the Hardie underneath of it. And I only have to cut out for where the wire is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and glue this up. This is what I use anymore. This is the only stuff I use, PL Premium. This is the best. Now I'm just going to line it up to this gauge, and I'm going to screw it down. Alright, one down, probably 19 more to go. This little like extra thickness basically made this piece too tight now. I should have just done this piece first, then that piece. I might cut that maybe with fine saw with a carbide blade. At least I can screw this down. There we go. Worked perfect. Whole piece. All I gotta do is notch around these pipes and this wire and this wire. That's all. 48 3/4 to 50. Okay, now this one I'm gonna cut a big square out of it, and then I'll cut a piece and kind of piece it back in just to fill it in later. since I got all the Hardie laid down on the floor now, I'm gonna just grab all the tools. I got a lot of excess tools, like from tearing the floor up and stuff like that. I'll take it all out in the truck. So once I get the cabinets in, I'll start measuring out heights and probably do the walls first. I have a section over here against the exterior wall of cabinets. So I could do that really last, all of those cabinets, but I'll do the main wall cabinets first. Then I'll get all the base cabinets installed. Then I'll do this exterior section separately. This will have like a utility cabinet, but a pantry style cabinet. So it'll be that, one base and one wall. So it's pretty simple. But I'll leave that to last so it's not in the way as I'm bringing them in. So I'm going to clear out all these tools today, and I'll see you next time.